What's your frequency?
Oh, I like how you asked that. I'm on a frequency of gratitude and flow. I'm on a frequency of surrender and listening to spirit. And I hold many titles, many facets. But I see myself as a co-healer. I see myself as a guide to help other people heal on their journey. I have always been an entrepreneur, even as a kid. And so I knew I wanted my own business. And when I went into massage school, I was like, it just made sense for me. It was like, I'm going to make a business out of this. And I saw myself having like a one-stop shop spa for my people. So I literally envisioned a bride and her party, her bridal party, coming into the spa, getting like some yoga, going into the steam room, getting their hair and nails done, getting massages, facial, like literally a one-stop shop, and creating an oasis, a beautiful indoor and outdoor oasis where people can come and restore themselves. So that was my inspiration. Yes. I am buzzing. Like literally, I'm holding my hands because I'm shaking. This was incredible on so many levels. Witnessing other people being able to let go, being able to just surrender and breathe, have fun, laugh. The black boy joy in this building is real. Like seeing the divine masculine in this power, it uplifts me, and I can see what it's doing to the women in this space as well. It's so empowering. It feels safe when we have this divine masculine. And Craig and Q are incredible. They are so talented and they just rock the house. Like I literally just had to wipe off a whole bed of sweat because we were dancing. Like, I'm just so grateful. There's so many portals that were tapped into today. There was sound healing, there was ecstatic dance, there was tapping into self and body awareness, and qigong and yoga, and the teas that they brought, the breath work with Devon, the calisthenics outside. It was a vibe at every single corner of this space, and it was totally activated. I'm just like on cloud nine. Beautiful. Girl, I know it seems like there is no way out. I know that you cannot see the other side of the tunnel. However, you are divinely guided and protected, and you need to trust, and you need to surrender, you need to allow. Just focus on yourself, your relationship with spirit and God, and you have nothing else to worry about. The path is already laid out for you, I promise. It feels so good on the other side.